How to set a reminder on Samsung phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your calendar application and then tap on the menu bar from your top left corner. Then you will see the option reminder. Then tap on open reminder. So tap on this plus icon, enter your memo and then add time, place and set it. And you will have set your reminder on your phone. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.